Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I'm Nisa Abdullah. I'm a student of Information Technology Department, Science and Technology Faculty of Islamic University Araniri, Banda Aceh. So, I would like to present a review journal with the title Sobian Disease Detection with Feature Selection Using Stepwise Regression Algorithm, LVQ and LVQ2. This journal was created by Nida Muhammad, Sukmawati Nur Endah, Eko Adi Sarwoko, Priya Adiksa Songko. All of them are students from Diponegoro University, Indonesia. So we go to the abstract. According to data from BPS, Sobian production in Indonesia is still low. One of the causes of the destructive Sobian production is the extent of disease in Sobian plains. These diseases are more quickly overcome if they can be detected earlier by taking advantage of information technology. Detection can be done by looking at the physical characteristics of the plant. There are 35 characteristics or attributes that can be used to categorize type Sobian plant disease. And then I would like to introduce this journal. Secondary crops are part of agricultural crops that play an important role in algorithm Indonesia. The presence of secondary crop is important for farmers because secondary crops have a faster harvest time than main crops such as rice. Therefore, many farmers in the village depend on secondary crop. One of the most cultivated crop is soybeans because it is multi-purpose nature. And then we look to the research method. This study has several stages of the process such as data collection, progressing, data partitioning, training, testing, and evaluation. The flow of each process is displayed in the form of problem-solving process in this figure. And then the data collection. The data used in this study is a Sobian database taken from University of California Irvine Machine Learning Repository about the Sobian dataset. The total data used are 200 data consisting of 820 data on anthracnose, brown spot, alternative splash spot, frog eye spot, purple seed stain, bacterial pastel, powdered mildew, bacterial blight, canker, and downy mildew. In this data, there are 10 types of disease, while the number of attributes in each data amount to 35. These attributes include date, plant stand, precipitation, temperature, health, crop story, area damage, severity stand, and each other. So, we go to the processing. The step taken in processing only consists of two stages. That is data selection and data transformation stage. Data selection is used to retrieve the relevant data or analysis. The relevant data are the attributes used. Data selection was carried out by two selection, that is irrelevant attribute selection and attribute selection using the stepwise regression algorithm. And then partition of training data and test data using Q-fold cross-validation. All data from normalization amount of 200 data will be divided into two, that is training data and test data. And then training. Training is carried out the recognized input pattern that lead to a class or target. Training is running on training data that generated from the data partition process. The difference in LVQ training and LVQ training lies in the wake update process. In LVQ, the wake that is updated is the wake with the small Euclidean distance, or we can say the winner. Whereas in LVQ2 training, there are two wakes to be updated. That is the small wake with Euclidean distance, and the second small if it meets the requirement. And then testing. LVQ and LVQ2 testing process is done by finding the small distance between the wake of the training results to the test data using Euclidean distance. All training result wake LVQ and LVQ2 is each class will find the Euclidean distance value from the test data. The value of all the Euclidean distance is the compared to getting the small value, which means is the class or target close to the test data. And then evaluation. Evaluation was conducted to find out information about accuracy, error rate, sensitivity, and specificity of the test result from confused metric. The evaluation of both LVQ and LVQ2 method was calculated, all to be compared. The best evaluation method is used in the detection process. Scenario aims to test the level of accuracy, error, sensitivity, and specificity of LVQ and LVQ2 neural. Task scenario. And then we go to the result and discussion. The test scenario aims to test the level of accuracy, error, sensitivity, and specificity of LVQ and LVQ2 neural network method along with the applied step-view regression algorithm to detect Sobian disease. The study used 4 test scenarios, which each parameter can be seen in this table. And then experimental result. Based on figure 4, scenario 1 with the attribute selection get the best accuracy result of each method with amount of 88.5% on LVQ and 88% for LVQ2 method. And then based on figure 5 scenario 2 with 17 selected attribute getting the best accuracy result of each method with amount of 86.5% on LVQ and 90.5% for LVQ2 method. Based on figure 6, scenario 3, with 19 selected attribute get the best accuracy result of each method with amount of 86.5% on LVQ and 89.5% for LVQ2 method. And then the figure 7 scenario 4 with 15 selected attribute get the best accuracy result of each method with amount of 86% on LVQ2. 86% on LVQ and 89% for LVQ2 method. So the result analysis is all of the best accuracy from each scenario are compared. This best accuracy include the best accuracy result in each method. The result can be presented in graphical form in this figure. So I think it's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. I hope you can understand what I mean. And thus I say that Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.